Welcome back, coin enthusiasts and collectors from around the globe. If you are passionate about rare finds and hidden treasures, you are in for a treat. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of ultra-rare and incredibly valuable wheat penny coins. These humble 1-cent pieces, once part of everyday transactions, are now at the heart of high-stakes auctions and making serious waves in the numismatic market. Buckle up as we uncover the rich history, distinctive features, rising collector demand, and most importantly, the current booming market value in dollars of these legendary coins. First up, we are diving deep into a coin that might look ordinary at first glance, but holds a legacy that is turning heads in the collector world, the 1941 Lincoln wheat penny without a mint mark in very fine condition. If you have got one of these tucked away in a jar, you might be sitting on a small treasure. We are going to explore its fascinating background, unique characteristics, and why it has become such a sought-after piece in today's booming numismatic market. This is a coin with stories to tell and serious dollar value in the collector community. Let us begin with the history. The Lincoln Wheat Penny series began in 1909, commemorating the 100th birthday of President Abraham Lincoln. It marked a revolutionary step in American coinage, the first time a real person appeared on a United States coin intended for circulation. The wheat ears on the reverse side symbolize prosperity and productivity, which defined the early 20th century American spirit. The 1941 penny was minted during a turbulent time in global history, right on the brink of America's entry into World War II. This year alone saw the production of over 887 million pennies at the Philadelphia Mint, which is why the 1941 penny you might find often lacks a mint mark, a clear sign it was minted in Philadelphia. Even though many were produced, finding one today in very fine condition is a different story altogether. Now, what makes the 1941 wheat penny without a mint mark stand out? It is more than just age, it is about craftsmanship and condition. In very fine condition, this coin still retains sharp features, especially around Lincoln's profile and the wheat stalks on the reverse. You will see clear definition in Lincoln's jawline, hair, and coat details. The lettering and date remain strong and legible. It is these features that collectors admire: crispness, clarity, and history, all wrapped into a 1-cent coin. The lack of a mint mark gives it that pure Philadelphia origin, untouched by other branch mints, adding to its historical authenticity. When it comes to rarity, condition is king. Millions of these pennies were indeed minted, but how many have survived in well-preserved condition? Over the decades, most have been lost, corroded, or damaged through circulation. Very fine condition coins, meaning those that show moderate wear but maintain sharp features, are becoming increasingly scarce. As collectors compete to complete their wheat penny sets with higher-grade examples, the demand for coins like the 1941 no-mint mark version in such state continues to grow. It is this combination of relative scarcity in higher grades and historical value that elevates it into the spotlight of numismatic collecting. Let us talk dollars, the part many of you are waiting for. In today's market, a 1941 wheat penny without a mint mark in very fine condition can sell anywhere $330,000 and sometimes even higher, depending on eye appeal and demand. Coins that are slabbed by grading services and receive high grades can fetch even more, especially at auctions where competitive bidding pushes prices beyond expectations. This coin is no longer just a copper disc, it is a piece of investable history. If you are a collector or someone just beginning the journey into coin collecting, the 1941 wheat penny is a must-have for your collection. Start by learning how to properly identify wheat pennies and understand grading basics. Use a magnifying glass to study the details, and always store your coins in proper holders to preserve their condition. Keep an eye on estate sales, antique shops, flea markets, and even family piggy banks. You never know where a gem might appear. And remember, it is not just about finding any 1941 penny, it is about finding one in the best possible condition. That is where the real value lies. In conclusion, the 1941 wheat penny without a mint mark in very fine condition represents more than just a piece of copper. It is a symbol of American history, wartime resilience, and enduring design. Its continued rise in the collector market makes it a coin that demands attention, and if you are lucky enough to have one, you are holding a treasure that connects the past to the present. As the numismatic community grows and demand for high-grade coins intensifies, the value of pieces like this only continues to rise. So do not overlook that old penny. It might just be the star of your collection and a highlight of your numismatic journey. Next up, we are diving deep into a coin that continues to attract attention from collectors across the globe, the 1953 wheat penny with the S mint mark. This small copper coin may appear ordinary at first glance, but its historical significance, unique features, and rising demand in the collector's market make it a true standout. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or just beginning your coin collecting journey, the 1953 with S wheat penny offers a compelling story and exceptional investment potential. Let's start by peeling back the layers of history behind this iconic penny. Minted in 1953 at the San Francisco Mint, hence the S mint mark, this penny is part of the beloved wheat cent series, which ran from 1909 to 1958. These pennies are instantly recognizable by the beautiful sheaves of wheat on the reverse side, symbolizing prosperity and hard work, values that defined post-war America. The 1953-S issue came during the Eisenhower era, at a time when the United States was experiencing major economic and technological growth. These coins reflect the craftsmanship and national pride of mid-20th century America, making them a tangible connection to the past. What sets the 1953 with S wheat penny apart are its distinct design elements and minting features. On the obverse, we have the classic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, the longest-running presidential portrait on United States coinage, and beneath the year 1953, the subtle yet powerful letter S mint mark. On the reverse, those symmetrical wheat stalks frame the bold 1 cent and United States of America inscriptions, with the motto E pluribus unum just above. In fine condition, this coin retains clear lettering, strong edges, and an attractive copper tone, giving it both historical and aesthetic appeal. The fine details preserved in this grade add to its allure among collectors, who are constantly on the lookout for high-quality specimens. Now, let us talk about rarity and what makes this coin a hot commodity in the numismatic market. While over 181 million 1953 with S pennies were originally struck, many have been lost over the decades, worn down from circulation, or corroded beyond recognition. Finding one in fine condition today, with solid definition and original surfaces, is significantly less common than the mintage numbers would suggest. The fine condition adds a level of preservation that collectors desire: sharp design elements, readable inscriptions, and overall structural integrity. These factors have created a strong demand for this coin, especially among those looking to complete a full Lincoln wheat cent collection. So what kind of value are we talking about today? The 1953 with S wheat penny in fine condition is currently fetching anywhere from $278,000 in the open market. Coins with excellent toning, historical provenance, or above-average detail can command even higher prices from specialized collectors. On auction platforms and numismatic forums, for collectors, owning a 1953 with S wheat penny is more than just having another coin. It is about investing in a slice of American history. If you're looking to add this coin to your collection, here are a few tips. First, buy from reputable dealers or certified coin marketplaces. Look for coins that are evenly worn, free from corrosion, and with clearly visible dates and mint marks. Using a 10 times magnifying glass can help you spot key details that elevate a coin's value. Also, consider storing your 1953 with S wheat penny in a coin flip or an archival safe holder to protect it from further wear and environmental damage. And if you already have one, do not overlook the option of professional grading, which can boost its marketability and value. In conclusion, the 1953 with S wheat penny in fine condition is far more than a simple piece of copper. It is a collectible that blends artistry, history, and financial potential into one compact treasure. As more collectors recognize its importance, and as fewer high-quality examples remain in circulation, demand is sure to rise. Whether you are collecting for passion, history, or investment, The 1953 with S. Penny is a must-have addition that continues to make waves in the coin collecting world. So dig through your coin jars, visit your local dealer, and keep your eyes open because this little penny has a big story and even bigger value in today's market. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on rare coins and their real-world value. Until next time, happy collecting and keep hunting for those hidden gems.